I have a clear bias of an uptrend, but we may have a counter trend trading opportunity ahead. Please watch this video till the end and let me explain you why I think so. So let's start our USD CAD analysis today. Hi boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. We are currently in daily time frame and trying to find out any possible trading opportunities in USD CAD analysis today. You can see that the price is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So we can say that we are in a very clear uptrend. Now let's start drawing our trend path. But before drawing our trend path, let me tell you one thing that I consider a pullback a valid pullback only if it has at least two candles. And one candle pullback is not a valid pullback to me while making a trend path on the chart. So let's start our trend path. We start from here. This is our swing low. This is our swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, and this is our swing high. If you are following me for a while and watch my videos regularly, you already know that I always used to say that the previous swing high and the most recent swing low are the two levels that may provide possible support for the price in a pullback phase. So in this recent pullback, you see the price did not respect to this first support level but bounced back up from this second support level. Now the price is approaching to the most recent swing high, which is at a level that has been tested by the price multiple times in the past. So it is a very important resistance zone for the price. And you know, a resistance level is not a single line only, but it is actually a zone. So let's figure out our resistance zone first. This is our resistance zone between 1.2820 and 1.2860. Now coming back to the current situation, look at this bullish candle we had yesterday. It is a big momentum candle and have very small wicks to the top and bottom, which shows a lot of bullish pressure in the market yesterday. And technically, this pressure had to continue in today's daily candle. But you see what happened here. We nearly have no bullish pressure today and probably ending up with a very small green candle today. This depletion in the price is the first indication that probably price is going to have rejection from this resistance zone and we may have a counter trend trading opportunity ahead. So to find out our counter trend trading opportunity, we should drop down to 4H or 1H time frame to see any possible double top here in this resistance zone. If we find any strong selling indication here in this zone, then we may go short with the stop loss just above this zone, and we may have at least 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio trade ahead. But if you want to stay with the trend, then you should wait for the price to break and close above this resistance zone, wait for a pullback into this zone, and then find any good buy opportunity here in this area and then open your long position here. Well, this is all for USD CAD analysis today. You can do your own research and do not consider it a financial advice. Good luck. Happy trading.